7 tips to strengthen any relationship. Below are some of top suggestions for how to keep your own relationship strong. 1. Seek help early. The average couple waits 6 years before seeking help for marital problems, and keep in mind, half of all marriages that end do so within the first 7 years. This means the average couple lives unhappily for far too long. 2. Edit yourself. Couples that avoid saying every critical thought when discussing touchy topics are consistently the happiest. 3. Soften your startup. Arguments typically escalate when one partner makes a critical or contemptuous remark in a confrontational tone. Bring up problems gently and without blame. 4. Accept influence. A marriage succeeds to the extent that the husband can accept influence from his wife. A true partnership occurs when both husband and wife accept influence from one another. 5. Have high standards. Happy couples have high standards for each other from the beginning. The most successful couples are those that, even as newlyweds, refuse to accept hurtful behavior from each other. The lower the level of tolerance for bad behavior at the beginning of a relationship, the happier the couple will be down the road. 6. Learn to repair and exit the argument. Successful couples know how to exit an argument. After a fight, they repair by using attempts that include changing the topic to something completely different, using humor, saying a caring remark, establishing common ground, backing off and offering signs of appreciation for each other along the way. If an argument gets too heated, take a 20-minute break, and agree to approach the topic again when you're both calm. 7. Focus on the bright side. When discussing problems, successful couples make at least 5 times as many positive statements to and about each other and their relationship as negative ones. For example, "We have fun together," instead of "You never want to do anything." A good marriage must have a rich climate of positivity. Make frequent deposits to your emotional bank accounts. But like anything worthwhile, it takes work and a conscious commitment. If you can't control yourself during a fight, take time afterward to repair your bond. And if you're married, please share how you keep your marriage strong. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Proper Health channel.